Assalamu alaikum students. Lastly, we have read about the Leonard observation, and in which we found that Leonard took a vacuum tube with two electrodes. One was called as the emitter plate or photosensitive plate, on which the ultraviolet radiation was incident. There was movement of electrons which was detected by this microammeter, and thus there was the current which is known as the photoelectric current. But provided we read one more thing, that's threshold frequency. What do you mean by threshold frequency? Threshold frequency is the minimum value of the frequency which is used to emit the electrons from the metal surface. If we are having a radiation whose frequency is less than a threshold value, then there is not the emission of electrons. Then we read about the effect of intensity of incident light on photoelectric current, and what we found, once the intensity was increased, by intensity you have to understand that more and more photons were incidented. Once more and more photons were incidented on this plate C, the photosensitive plate, or the, you have to say, the emitter plate, it has been found there was more and more photoelectric current. Thus photoelectric current IP was directly proportional to intensity of incident radiation, provided frequency and potential was kept constant as shown in the graph. Now today we have to read about the effect of potential on PEC, photoelectric current. What is the effect of potential on photoelectric current? Listen, just look towards this very diagram carefully. If we are having a fixed value of frequency more than threshold value or equal to threshold value, and we are having a fixed value of photons incidented on this, let it be 1 lakh, 100, 1000. So, and we are going to change the potential, positive potential of this very plate. We are going to have the plate A at positive potential, so there will be movement of electrons towards A. In the first go, there will not be all the electrons moving towards A. Once the positive potential of this very A increases on keeping the intensity and on keeping the frequency constant, we will increase the positive potential of plate A, and for a certain potential, the PEC, the photoelectric current, attains the maximum value. So if we are having a graph like a graph for this, we will show this, and here we are having a potential of, you have to say, electrode A, electrode A. This is a positive potential, and this is 0, this is a negative potential, huh? So positive potential, and this will be the current, PEC, photoelectric current. So on increasing the positive potential of this, the current will attain a maximum value for the photoelectric current known as saturation current. If we further increase the positive potential of plate A, there will not be increase in the current because it has attained the saturated value. So the current will be like this. For the saturation value to be quite like this. And this potential, I have shown the graph like this. This is known as the saturation value, saturation current. Saturation current. By saturation current, you have to understand now, once we have increased the potential of positive plate, there was increase in the current, but a stage reached. Once we further increase the potential, further increase the positive potential of plate A, but there was no increase in the current because there is not possible, there is not availability of more and more electrons. Whatever may be now increase in the potential, positive potential of plate A, electrode A, as there are a fixed number of electrons, so how come there will be increase in the current? But now when the potential of plate A was decreased, that is, it was given the negative potential. Once it was given the negative potential was increased, it has been found that the current becomes zero. A stage is going to reach when the current becomes zero. This stage where the current becomes as zero, this negative potential, where the current, this minimum negative potential applied to A, for which photoelectric current becomes zero, this potential is known as stopping potential or retarding potential. This is called as stopping potential or retarding potential. So what is stopping? It is the minimum negative potential applied to A or retarding potential. How much minimum potential was applied to plate A so that there will not be movement of the electrons towards A, then does the current become zero. So at stopping potential, we can say at stopping potential 1 by 2 mv max square, the maximum kinetic energy equals to E into U. What is the energy of electron and what is the V naught? V naught, where you have to say the retarding potential. So that is kinetic energy is directly proportional to V naught, stopping potential. Thus, maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron can be determined. Maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron can be determined by knowing the stopping potential of that. Now if in the case intensity of incident light increased and frequency is kept constant. Now if we increase the, once again I will have a graph here. If we will increase what intensity, but we will be having the, it will be the potential of A, it will be the positive one, it will be the negative one. So we'll be having graph. So this is PEC, photoelectric current, but their stopping potential will be same. Stopping potential, it is intensity I1, it is intensity I2, such that I2 is greater than I1. So by increasing the potential and keeping the frequency same, what we will get? The stopping potential will not change. The stopping potential will remain same. So effect of potential is that with the increase in the potential of positive plate A, so we'll see like once the positive, the potential of this very plate is increased, there is more and more photoelectric current. A stage is going to reach when the photoelectric current becomes as constant. It will not increase with the potential of plate A. It will not increase with the further potential of plate A, and this is called as saturation current. Now if we will decrease, we will take this very arrow towards negative, it will make it so that there will not be movement of electrons towards this. A stage is going to reach when there will be no electrons moving towards A. This stage is called as that there is no photoelectric current, and that very potential of plate A is called as the stopping potential. Stopping potential is the potential at which there is no current in the, there is no photoelectric current. At that very time, what we will have 1 by 2 mv max square, the maximum kinetic energy is equal to the E into V naught, the stopping potential. Thus kinetic energy of photoelectron is directly proportional to stopping potential. And furthermore, if we will increase the intensity provided frequency remains constant, then we will get drops like this, but the stopping potential will be same. This is the effect of potential on PC. Now we will study the effect of frequency of incident light.